The Ornery Gentlemen's Country Club presents Country Nature, Livin'. Here we go. We're back at Country Nature. We got something in the tree going on up here. You can hear it. That's the old country crow we got going on right here. It's a long time native of the old country club house right here. Yeah. That's the old tree bird right there. Let's see if we can get a look at him. Get over here. Let's see if we can get a look at him.
Now I've actually read your.
We got a mate. He's mating. He's mating. We got a mate.
I've read your books.
Here we go.
On the mating rituals of these animals. Actually, the country club crow. You actually can do the mating call. I was told.
I don't want. If I didn't see that mate just fly in there right now, I'll probably do that. But as of right now, awesome.
Coitus interruptus.
Notice how they got. See, hear the rustling? They're mating right now. See, they got quiet. Country Nature House. That's what happens.
We'll be back with more.
We'll be back after this. Welcome back to Country Nature. Special little part here.
Hello, all.
Hello. A big part about Country Nature is keeping that fire burning. We got ourselves some wood. We got old redneck on the old fire tenon. Say what's up, Reed.
Hey, Ma.
That's right.
Ma'am.
It's a big part of Country Nature right here.
I reckon she'll burn for a bit.
It's not a bad fire you got there.
Yeah.
And your shovel?
Full beer, new shovel, nice fire.
There we go.
USA.
Thank you, folks.
Squirrel, get him!
We never found that squirrel, so we started jamming. There.
You ready?
You're gonna sing this and play bass.
Just some good old boys, never meaning no harm. That's all they ever saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they were born. Straightening the curve, flattening the hill. Well, mountain might get them all, making their way